My adult children keep telling me that I'm way too immature for my age, but I feel so good that it's okay. I'm Gerry Fisher. I've been coming to Dr. Setareh for quite a while. I take prescribed supplements. I take testosterone injections. I combine that with working out, and then walk a lot with my 70-pound Labradoodle, and the combination just makes me feel like I'm a lot younger than I am. The AVEED injections work so well. It's comfortable, it happens fast, it lasts a long time, and it's a much better way to stabilize, and it does that too. No ups and downs, it's just stabilized for 10 weeks.
Hey guys, Dr. S here. So today we're doing an AVEED injection for one of our fine patients. AVEED is just a long-acting injectable testosterone. It works for about 10 weeks, so patients come in every 10 weeks for their next injection. It's super simple, and for the right patient, it works great. It gives you a good, even testosterone level that doesn't spike much or fall much before your next injection.
Dr. Setareh on a personal level is just a joy. We trade jokes, laugh a lot. I can ask him any question about anything, and he's extremely helpful in getting an answer. I'm happy to be here.